Cisco Business Dashboard features in-depth reporting that details the maintenance status and any end-of-life bulletins associated with your network. We'll talk more about lifecycle management on this edition of Tech Talks next. To get started, we'll first log into the Cisco Business Dashboard. Once there, under the Reports tab, we'll see a number of options, but for now, we'll just focus on 3 of them: Lifecycle, End of Life, and Maintenance. The Lifecycle report provides a summary of the lifecycle state of the devices in the network. It's essentially a high-level overview of where each of our network devices is in its life, beginning as a newly released product right up until it has been superseded and is no longer able to be supported. This report shows the network details, device details, manufacturing date, firmware version, end-of-life status, and maintenance status. The next report, End of Life, lists which devices have a published end-of-life bulletin and any key dates in the end-of-life process. Some of the fields included in this report are device type, current status, date of announcement, last date of sale, last date of software releases, and last date for new service contract. Currently, it shows no data to display, as there is no end-of-life bulletin published for the products connected on this network. We may see a different result based on our deployment. The third report, Maintenance, lists all network devices and includes the warranty and support contract status information for each of them. The information contained within this report includes network details, device details, maintenance status, coverage end date, and warranty end date. And there you have it, a brief summary of the reporting options available in Cisco Business Dashboard. Thanks for watching Tech Talks from Cisco. We'll see you next time.